Hi, I'm Maxi. Welcome to a new episode of Fitness Kitchen. Today we are gonna make a low-calorie salad dressing with quickly dehydrated tomatoes. No oil, no sugar, super easy but super delicious. And it's steamingly hot, so it's nice for winters, which is now. Now, let's get started. The recipe I'm sharing today is for one person. The main ingredient is this: 250 grams of cherry tomatoes, that is half a pound. You can use larger tomatoes instead, but that way you need to dice them first, a lot more trouble. So I prefer cherry tomatoes. We are gonna quickly dehydrate them into a semi-paste with a microwave. And in order to prevent them from exploding in the microwave, we need to cut them a little bit like this. Use this part of the knife. This is the quickest way and the safest. Okay, now it's time to cook them in the microwave. Put a pot holder under it. This will make it easy to get them out of the microwave. And use a plate to cover it, to block the boiling juice. Now, microwave it at max power for 8 minutes in a normal 900 watts microwave, or for 10 minutes in a weaker 700 watts one. 8 minutes later, we have dehydrated the tomatoes into a hot semi-paste. Now they taste like the sauce on the pizza. And we season it: 1/4 teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of dry basil. I'm trying to create a flavor profile of margarita pizza. And thus, the dressing is done. Now, here is around 100 grams of fresh leafy veggies. That is around a quarter pound. Now, let's pour the dressing on them. Then, to balance the saltiness and the colors, I would scatter 1 tablespoon of unsweetened yogurt. Now, this is the salad of the day. The dressing is steamingly hot, but the veggies are still fresh and crispy. Really nice for winters. Okay, now time for the nutrition facts. This plate of salad has around 81 kcal of calories, 5.3 grams of protein, only 1 gram of fat, 13 grams of carbs, and around 615.8 milligrams of sodium. And then, if you like black pepper, it's also nice to add some. Don't waste time taking photos or filming like me. Eat it while the dressing is still hot. That's how you can get the best of it. Now, enjoy. And that is the recipe of today. I have put all the statistics down below in the description. If you like this video, please click the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next episode. Happy cooking, take care.